Hello student, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm Veena Dikshit. Please subscribe my channel and share my video with your friends. More important is must practice. H2CO3 slash SCO3 means H2CO3 SCO3 buffer solution. They are making mixture of H2CO3 and SCO3 making acidic buffer in blood. So we have to find out the ratio of molar concentration of SCO3 bicarbonate ion divided by molar concentration of carbonic acid in the blood. pH is given, pH is equal to 7.4 and pKa is given 6.1 for H2CO3. Okay, so ratio is 20, 16, 10 or 14. So we should know this relationship that pH is equal to pKa plus log of SCO3 1 negative and H2CO3. What is this equation called? This equation is called Henderson. This is called Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer. Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer, in which pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of molar concentration of, this is conjugate base HCO3 1 negative and weak acid. This is weak acid. Okay, always weak acid and conjugate base. Clear? So in this way we will put the value pH is equal to pKa plus log of this we discussed. Now we will put this towards the left side. So we will get log of SCO3 and H2CO3. So pH minus pKa is equal to log of SCO3 divided by molar concentration of H2CO3. We will solve it. It will be 1.3 is equal to log of this, and then when we will take anti-log of 1.3 we will get approximately 19.9. So this is again we have equate that it is 20. So answer is A. For that, what how do? You have to see this into 10 to power 1 and 0.3 is it having 1.99. Okay, 1.99. So we will see that when it will be coming to be 19.9 power 1 will got. Okay, so we have to see anti-log of 0.3 here, and this will go to power, and this is F. So where is 20? This is 20. So ratio of SCO3 molar concentration of bicarbonate ion and carbonic acid is equal to 20. Okay, this is the correct answer, and this reaction is known as Henderson-Hasselbalch equation for acidic buffer. So acidic buffer means weak acid and its conjugate base is forming acidic buffer. Example, blood. Blood is very important. That is why I took selected